So now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce Paul Mascarenas, Ford Motor Company's Vice President, Engineering, Global Product Development.
Good evening, everyone. Hey, welcome to this evening's presentation. It's been my honor this year. I think most of you know that I'm the General Chair for this year's SAE Congress. I just thought before we introduce the real star of the night, the Fiesta, I'll just tell you a little bit about what's been going on this week. And I made some notes, actually. We've had tremendous support. We really have. Firstly, as we bring the day two to a close, I was looking at some of the statistics before I left to come here earlier. We're actually now close to 10,000 registrations. We're at about 9,800, which is just fantastic for where we are in the program. 43 countries represented, which is really nice, given that it's an international event. 18 OEMs, so really good participation there. And then, of course, suppliers, academia, and government representation. And I know many of the supplier partners are in the room tonight. Susan's already mentioned several of you. Thanks for all of your support, and thanks for coming along today. We have in the exhibit hall about 100 companies, a little over 100 companies, really focusing this year on innovation. And some tremendous technologies and developments, and I hope that all of you at least, well, only got one day left, but if you haven't been there already, get an opportunity to go and look at the exhibit hall. Our technical sessions, really well underway, 2 days complete now, over 1,000 technical papers being presented this week, of which about 60 are from the Ford team. And then what we have got this year, building on last year, the success that we had there, is a very much expanded ride and drive event. We've got about 30 cars in the event. When we were planning this, we talked about all of the good things that we wanted to do with Congress in terms of technologies, the panel discussions, the networking, and so on. But we said, in the end, what are we about as an industry? We're about vehicles. So let's give people the opportunity to drive vehicles. We at Ford, we have 4 vehicles that we're showing. Our new Mustang with its new powertrains, the Taurus Show with the EcoBoost engine, our Fusion Hybrid, and the Transit Connect. And then our Tier 1 strategic partner for the SAE Congress this year is Magna. We are also development partners with Magna for our battery electric vehicle, and there's an opportunity to drive a demonstrator vehicle with the Magna team there. So again, if you get the opportunity to join the ride and drive, I'd really recommend that to you. So we're on track, I think, for a great Congress, and thanks to you all for your support for that. Now with that, it is time to introduce the star of the evening. We're really pleased tonight to be introducing the 2011 Fiesta. Fiesta really embodies the true spirit of Ford, one team, one plan, one goal. And it absolutely confirms that our comprehensive One Ford strategy is coming together in ways that make Ford Motor Company more customer-oriented, more productive, and more viable as we work together towards a bright and sustainable future. Our goal is simple. Our goal is profitable growth for all. Fiesta was first introduced in Europe in 1976. And as you might expect from a company that has been hitting home runs with small cars ever since, we've leveraged our global experience to develop yet another product that we would believe will be an absolute knockout winner. Fiesta is a perfect example of Ford's ability to aggressively restructure and operate profitably relative to current market demand. Functioning as one team with our global operations and worldwide suppliers, we designed and engineered Fiesta by working effectively as a single, lean, global enterprise to develop an exciting new vehicle that offers exceptional value for the customer. And for us, leadership and prosperity as a company. The market transformation that we've experienced over the past few years has been absolutely revolutionary. But the lessons learned have enabled us to clearly identify the kind of products that customers really want and value, and to develop them more efficiently while at the same time continuing improving the quality. Fiesta is a testimony to the valuable insight that we've gained. It serves markets around the globe. It works to complete Ford's family of automotive products and perfectly represents our brand values of quality, green, safe and smart. In terms of delivering a quality product that people want, Fiesta has a proven track record with over 675,000 vehicles already sold in Europe and Asia. What's more, we have very positive indications for our upcoming North American sales. Supporting our commitment to a greener environment, Fiesta delivers class-leading fuel economy, is manufactured with seat inserts that are made from 25% recycled material, and a headliner that's made from 50% recycled material. And just like all of our other Ford vehicles, Fiesta is 85% recyclable overall. In terms of safety, Fiesta comes equipped with 7 standard airbags, including the latest driver knee airbag. It features Space, Ford's exclusive side protection and cabin enhancement architecture that provides an extra level of passenger safety. Fiesta also comes equipped with generous Drive Smart features, such as intelligent access, one-touch push-button start, and of course Sync, the hands-free communication and entertainment package that can provide a vehicle health report, 911 assistance, turn-by-turn navigation, weather, traffic reports, and a whole lot more. It can even interface your iPod with the car's sound system, all through simple voice commands. Fiesta is one of Ford's most exciting products. It's a comprehensive illustration of Ford's forward-looking global product strategy. Fiesta's bold, emotive, kinetic design provides a sense of motion even at standstill. Its European driving dynamics with electric power-assisted steering perfectly characterize our great-to-drive objective. These cars really are fun to drive. It's also great to sit in, with exceptional quietness and the comfort and convenience of a second home on wheels. The aerodynamic design and acoustic properties of the interior components contribute to Fiesta's remarkably quiet ride. With an estimated 40 miles per gallon on the highway, Fiesta clearly meets our fuel economy as a reason to buy goal. And when it comes to the unmistakable Ford look, Fiesta rocks. It has the exciting look and feel that customers can expect in the future. It sounded pretty good, didn't it? Fiesta rocks. Let's go. So now you want to talk about exceptional value. We're bringing Fiesta to customers with a base MSRP that is below $14,000. That's a value offering that we've achieved through economies of scale from Ford's global product strategy. As you may have heard, the Fiesta launch in North America is being supported by extensive market research and a high level of social media interaction. After analysing input from a large number of potential customers, we believe Fiesta is the right car at the right time. If there is any place at all in our North American product lineup where there is a clear opportunity to introduce a new product, it is in the B segment. And as you'll learn tonight, Fiesta embodies just about every product attribute that one could ever hope to find in a small car. We're seeing a market that's moving towards greater economy and greater fuel efficiency across the board. This applies to a number of segments. Even traditional SUV owners are shifting to crossovers. Based on this and other trends that we've seen from the market, we believe the small car market is set to grow. With its attractive price, fuel efficiency, recycled materials, fun-to-drive attributes, and many comfort and convenience features that would make even a luxury buyer feel at home, we believe the new 2011 Ford Fiesta brings all the right elements to the market at exactly the right time.